Hey Button Farm friends, it's Mary Ann here today, sharing or coming on to explain the next album to you that I'll be creating. Look at the album. We're going to be using Vicki Boutin Sweet Rush, and we get a chance to work with this fantastic album. Here's the binder, and the back side is exactly like the front side. So if we do a little embellishing on this, the back side will be left empty. How gorgeous is that? You don't even need really anything. But I did get some ribbon. Every one of you will get a different color ribbon. I think we chose blue, yellow, green, pink, and orange. I asked to design with the pink, but yours may be a different color. I also added a tassel. Mine has an ice cream. Yours may be whatever tassel you receive, it'll match your ribbon. And then mine just unhooked I unhooked it. I apologize for that. And mine has an ice cream. Yours will be a little bit different. So those are going to be super, super fun. We're also going to be using the embellishments from the Sweet Rush collection. These are more ephemera pieces. Look how fantastic these are. There's greenery, flowers, a Volkswagen, a bubblegum machine. So many beautiful things. That has 50 pieces. This sticker collection has 183. Look how many stickers are in there. You get little pieces, word sentiments, circles, strips, everything. We are going to go crazy in this album. There's also 40-piece embellishment. These are more like journaling cards. These will be fantastic for us to document some things or maybe use these below some layering. It'll be fantastic. We'll also be splitting up this paper pad. And look at these beautiful sheets. I may be incorrect. You can get that information in the description of the album, but we'll know for sure then. And then we'll also be getting this 12 by 12 sheet with the tags and the 3 by 4 blocks on the back. But within the album, you'll also see there's papers in here. So we really didn't need a whole lot of paper from this paper pad because we can use these papers. I like to take the acetates, spread them out, mix them in between these sheets. But look how fantastic these sheets are. I love this page. And the rainbow. I just love everything rainbow right now. I love it. T-shirts, all of the papers that are coming out, bedding, everything. I just think it's fantastic. So, there you go, guys. This is what to expect in your next kit from the Button Farm Club.